Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front wheel independent suspension, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.